Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very interesting air fryer. That's the Tastee Sensor Magic air fryer. Has a whopping 5.5 quart frying container, and we have a lot of interesting features like the smart probe. So we have actually dual sensor. We have the Tastee app which you can use, which gives us a lot of additional information, and we have also 8 preset programs, and of course we are cooking here with less oil. That's what we want to achieve usually with air fryers. So the specs look very promising, so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to assemble, and how easy it really is for cooking. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Here also some more information on the side. Of course it's suitable for 110, 120 volts, and we have 1700 watts in total. And so here we are with everything I got. Here we have the user manual. Describes everything in detail on 21 pages, but the big highlight here, of course, the air fryer cookbook with 50 recipes, and you can see how much information we get here. Absolutely awesome. This is really fantastic. And then of course the beautiful air fryer itself. So here we have this very large tray. Yeah, definitely decent size, would say way above average. So everything comes nicely protected. So here we have this multifunctional cooking rack and the full-size cooking tray with this large opening, so we can use that to grab it or put it inside. And of course very important that we have these 4 silicone buffers on the side, also silicone feet here. Very important, so we are not scratching the sensitive surface of the frying basket. And so we can see this large opening with the heating coil, and underneath we have these 4 soft rubber feet, which provides a safe stand and prevents from scratching. On the right side we have the probe organizer. Pretty cool idea to have it here. So we have easy access to the probe, so we can easily close this again. And by the way, to use the probe, of course this one goes into the meat, and then the other end we plug in just here on the left side. So we have the probe here inside, and so we can feed the cable here nicely from the side. So we can fully close the tray, but there's still enough opening for the probe cable. And in the back, as usual, we have the hot air exhaust, and we have also power cord organizer, so we can coil up the power cord here easily. And at the end you can even store the plug here, and all the parts come in really good quality. So we can clean the cooking rack, the cooking tray inside, and also the basket itself by hand, or we can even let it wash in the dishwasher. And so after connecting to power, we see all the functions here from the display. We can use the on off here. I'm not explaining you all the functions, but I give you here a quick overview what the functions are from the display by showing you these 2 or 4 pages here. I hope you can read that. And so here we have the direct functions for the steak, fish, chicken, pork and fries. So for example, we select the fries. Yeah, make it a little bit darker here so you can see how we can choose that. So we have different options. So for example, for the fries we can choose between 1/4 French fries, 3/8 French fries, or wedge cut. And so for example, let's go with the 1/4 French fries. And after that we have even the choice to adjust between light and a little bit darker, different level of darkness or color between 1 and 8. So for example, we go with a 4, and then we confirm with the OK and start it with the start button. And while the fries are cooking, we can even activate the light, and so we can go down and check and see what's going on. Watch the thing here. How cool is that? That we have full control, full observation about what's going on here inside. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, I've never seen that before. And so we can relax, enjoy the show, and then enjoy the fries. Absolutely awesome. And now let's also see if it's easy to connect with the app. I've scanned the QR code here with my camera. That brought me to this website. So I can use the link to Google Play to download and install the Tastee Kitchen app. Okay, and so I'm opening the app, and so we see a lot of recipes here, but of course we want to connect the device. I click on add appliance. Yeah, looks like I have to make an account here. And so I'm back here after creating the account. And so here's the instruction how to reset Wi-Fi on the air fryer. So I have the Wi-Fi icon now on the air fryer. And so it has found the air fryer. So I click to connect here. And so I've selected the Wi-Fi and entered the password. Let's see if we can connect. Yeah, fantastic. Looks like the air fryer is connected. And so I have much more functions now. I can click on a recipe, get the instructions, ingredients, tools, everything what I need. So I click on set to cook, and it will set automatically the temperature and the timer. And so I can start cooking now. The only thing which I have to do is to press the play or the start on the air fryer itself, and it's definitely working. Yeah, absolutely awesome. I get also the history and much more, so definitely worth to do that. Yeah, so I stop this here again for the moment. By the way, I've already been using that for fries and cheese sticks, and it has been working absolutely awesome. Yeah, definitely a much more professional and more flexible way of air frying. Makes much more fun, and the results are also much better than with my old air fryer. No question about that. And it's also an absolute beauty. So this could be the perfect helper for your kitchen in the future, for small items or for some special things. And so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.